Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be comparing the new Huawei Y7 Prime 2019 to the Tecno Camon 11. The one big difference between these two phones is the design. With the Huawei Y7 Prime 2019, we are getting a slightly curved back compared to the flat back on the Tecno Camon 11. So with the slightly curved back, the phone is easy and comfortable to hold and carry around, better than the Tecno Camon 11. So I prefer the Huawei Y7 Prime 2019 if you're always carrying your phone around. It's much more comfortable compared to the Tecno Camon 11. As for the actual sizes, there's not that big of a difference between the two. They're almost the same size, but the Y7 Prime 2019 is a bit bigger than the Tecno Camon 11, but not by much. At the back of the phones, we do have dual camera setups and fingerprint scanners. The fingerprint scanners are quite fast and the setup process is easy, and I've not been disappointed by either one of them. As for the available colors, we do have the Aurora Blue option, which is the one I'm using. There's also a Coral Red version and a Midnight Black version. On the Tecno Camon 11, we also have a blue version, which doesn't look quite as good as the Huawei one, and the Midnight Black version, which is the one I'm using here. Flipping the phone to the display, we do get the 6.26-inch display on the Huawei Y7 Prime 2019 compared to the 6.2-inch display on the Tecno Camon 11. So the difference is not that big in terms of the display. And as you can see, the notch on the Huawei Y7 Prime 2019 is quite different from the one on the Camon 11. The company is calling this the dewdrop notch, which looks, in my opinion, looks way better than the ordinary notch we have on the Tecno Camon 11. So if you prefer something new, the Huawei Y7 Prime 2019 is something to consider. Another thing about the display is that on the Y7 Prime 2019, the display gets a bit brighter compared to the Tecno Camon 11. So when I switch the displays to the maximum settings, the Y7 Prime 2019 is a bit brighter compared to the Tecno Camon 11, which means that it's much better to use the Y7 Prime 2019 outdoors under direct sunlight than using the Tecno Camon 11. Now to performance. The Tecno Camon 11 comes with the MediaTek Helio A22 processor compared to the Huawei Y7 Prime 2019 that comes with the Snapdragon 450 processor. The difference is not quite big in terms of actual performance, so if you're using it for light browsing day-to-day use, you'll not notice any big difference with either of the phones. The Huawei Y7 Prime 2019 comes with a game suite mode, which optimizes some of the settings to ensure that you have the best settings when you're playing your games, which I found that to be a very useful feature. As for the RAM, both phones come with 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage space, and they can be expanded to up to 256 GB for the Tecno Camon 11 and up to 512 GB for the Huawei Y7 Prime 2019. Another difference between these two phones has to do with the face unlock feature. They both have face unlock actually, and they're both really good and fast. But with the Huawei Y7 Prime 2019, it has the multi-directional face unlock, so you don't have to be looking at your phone directly every time to unlock it, which I find it to be a very useful feature because you can unlock your phone while it's on the table without looking at it directly. And also you can use face unlock to lock some of the apps you have on your phone. So if you don't want people to access certain apps, you can lock them with face unlock, and they will only be unlocked if your face is recognized. At the back we have 13 megapixel and 2 megapixel sensors on both phones. They're all AI cameras. The Huawei Y7 Prime 2019 is slightly better because it's able to recognize more scenes compared to the Tecno Camon 11. With the AI mode on, the camera optimizes some of the settings to ensure that you get the best shot at every given opportunity. And I found that to be way better on the Huawei Y7 Prime 2019 compared to the Tecno Camon 11 because it's able to recognize more scenes and can optimize the settings better compared to what the Tecno Camon 11 does. Another thing about the AI mode on the Huawei Y7 Prime 2019, you can switch it on and off even after taking the photo. So if you take your photo and realize that you don't really like it with the AI mode on, you can switch it off and save the photo without the AI mode. Now to the battery. The Huawei Y7 Prime 2019 comes with a bigger 4000 mAh battery compared to the 3750 mAh battery on the Tecno Camon 11. They can both last you a day or even two depending on your usage. But of course, the bigger battery on the Y7 Prime 2019 lasts longer than the one on the Tecno Camon 11. The Huawei Y7 Prime 2019 also comes with a few battery optimization settings, which you can take advantage of to get even longer battery life on your phone. The Tecno Camon 11 has a battery saving mode, but the Huawei Y7 Prime 2019 has a few extra features that you can use to get more battery life on your phone. And that's it, guys, comparing the Huawei Y7 Prime 2019 to the Tecno Camon 11. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.